Hi gentle dreamer, today I will draw Bluey carrying Lucky in her arms, while the world around them sparkles with kindness and play. While the picture slowly takes shape, let's wander into a story where friendship feels warm, soft, and true. But first, please like this video and subscribe my channel, so every tale of friendship can glow bright for you too. Now tell me, if you carried a friend, would you run, dance, or laugh together first? The sun was high, and the breeze was light. Bluey stood in the yard, her paws stretched wide. Beside her was Lucky, grinning from ear to ear. Ready for the ride? He asked, wagging his tail. Bluey bent down, lifted Lucky carefully, and carried him with all her might. You're not heavy at all, she giggled, though her paws shook just a little. Lucky laughed, I feel like a king in a royal chair. Can you pretend to carry someone too? Bluey asked. Wrap your arms tight around your favorite pillow and march along with us. Step by step, Bluey moved across the grass. The ground tickled her paws, the air brushed her fur. Bingo clapped from the side, cheering. Go, Bluey, go. Faster, faster. Bluey puffed, but she smiled. Lucky spread his arms like wings. I'm flying, he shouted. Click, Mum snapped a photo with her phone, catching the silly moment. Dad leaned from the porch. Strong pup, Bluey. Want me to join? He pretended to climb on too, making everyone laugh until their bellies hurt. Bluey kept going, weaving between trees. The leaves whispered, the branches made dappled shadows on the ground. Lucky pointed ahead. To the sandbox, driver. Hurry, hurry. They reached the sandbox, and Bluey set Lucky down gently. Phew, she sighed. Her fur glistened in the sun, and her paws felt proud. Lucky patted her shoulder. Best ride ever, mate. Bingo jumped in. My turn to carry someone. She tried to lift Lucky but only managed to wiggle him a little. Everyone burst into giggles. You'll get stronger, Mum smiled. Can you flex your arms like Bingo too? Bluey asked. Show me your muscles. They all built castles together, Lucky shaping towers, Bluey digging tunnels, Bingo decorating with leaves. The sand felt cool and soft, clinging to their paws. Dad made a silly dragon sound, pretending to knock the castle down. Everyone chased him, laughing across the yard. When the game was done, Bluey and Lucky lay back in the grass. The sky above stretched blue and wide, clouds drifting lazily. Thanks for carrying me, Lucky whispered. I felt safe, like I was flying through the sky. Bluey smiled. That's what friends do. We carry each other, in arms and in hearts. The air grew calm, the laughter softened, and the yard turned golden with the setting sun. Can you lie back too, Bluey whispered, and imagine clouds floating like big pillows? So drift away, let dreams unfold, with gentle hands and hearts of gold. Friendship lifts, it keeps you near, tomorrow brings more joy and cheer.